Now we're going to talk about customary units of measurement. That's what we use. That's what you are accustomed to. Sometimes it's referred to standard units of measurement. But when we're talking about capacity, again, we're talking about liquids. So there's something that we use called gallon man. And I'm drawing him for you right now. There's a song that goes along with Gallon Man. He kind of looks like a man. There's his head. I hardly ever put that on. There's 4 quarts in a gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon, 4 quarts in a gallon, so pour, baby, pour. When you do that, see how I'm drawing? There's 4 quarts that make up 1 gallon. Probably the thing that you've thought of the most. When you've heard a gallon, we talked about this in class. I say gallon, you say milk jug. It's that big jug of milk. That comes in a gallon container. There are 4 quarts in a gallon, 8 pints in a gallon, 8 pints in a gallon, 8 pints in a gallon, so pour, baby, pour. When we were talking about pints, we were talking about, here, let me put quarts up here too. We were talking about the water bottles that you guys have. When I say pint, you say water bottle. Oops, that's going to be off your water bottle. Pint, water bottle, pint, water bottle. That's how we kind of picture that one. And then there's 16 cups in a gallon, 16 cups in a gallon, 16 cups in a gallon, so pour, baby, pour. So now we have the cups in Gallon Man. There's 16 of them. When I say cup, you say baking, cup, baking, cup, baking. So those are the things that you want to kind of think about. We were trying to come up with a good example of a quart of something in our room that we could think of, and we were still looking. So quart, we were talking about maybe Sophie's water bottle looked like it could maybe be around that. We talked about that one for a liter as well. So we're going to think of a good example for a quart, but we came up with milk jug, water bottle, and baking, because we use a cup when we measure. If we put in a cup of water, we were thinking of your water bottles and the milk jug. When you can kind of picture that, there are 4 quarts, 8 pints, and 16 cups. Those are the units that we use in our customary types of measurement. The rest of the world uses the metric system. Ours is a little bit more complicated, but those are the words you're more familiar with.